So namaskar all of you. This is a batch notification for new batches, new online batches for civil services, which is going to start from 15th of March. Okay, so online batches mainly for UPSC 2022 and OPSC 2020 and 21. Okay, so the online batches are going to start from March 15. It will consist of both your live classes and recorded classes. Okay, so let us see the other details about this batch, online batch, which will start on 15th. So first let me come to the important points about these batches. So the duration for the entire course, that is prelims, main and viva, is 12 months including your optionals and the compulsory papers like Indian language. In Indian language we are offering Odia and Hindi for UPSC, and for OPSC obviously Odia is the Indian language. Okay, then essay and also your compulsory English. Okay, duration is 12 months, but the validity is still success. Okay, validity is still success, and so there are basically various modules. Okay, the first module is the integrated batch, that is pre plus main plus interview including optionals and the compulsory subjects. Okay, so that is basically, like I told you, it is 12 months, validity is till success. So till success means till you crack the exam, all the videos will continue, even the new videos you can access. Only thing is that you don't have to pay anything extra. Whatever payment you have done, okay, during the admission, that is what you have to pay. Okay, the course fee for this integrated batch, which basically consists of prelims, all papers of prelims, all papers of mains and interview, that is rupees 40,000 online. So this is online batch, I am talking about online batch only. Okay, it is 40,000. Those who are paying in lump sum, okay, means at one time, they will get a 10% waiver. So that will be around 36,000. Okay, and what does it include? So it would include all those things which are there for the classroom students. To be more specific, first let us come to study material. Okay, so you will get a set of 2 books for prelims, a set of 11 books for mains, GS, and 2 books for each optional. Your essay and your compulsory English, compulsory Odia, those who are taking Hindi, that will be covered under this 11 books. These are the study materials that you will get. Then we come to test series. Okay, so prelims you have 70, okay, full length test means 2 hours tests. So first you will give subject wise test, then full syllabus test, but all tests will be of 2 hours duration for prelims, just like your exam. In the mains you have 40 tests for GS, again these are all 3 hours tests. Okay, and 30 tests for each optional. Again these are also 3 hour tests. Exam pattern just like and your essay, compulsory English Odia, you will cover here within these 40 tests. Okay. So currently in the current batch, if you see, faculty profile for the current batch. So we have one ex OCS topper who is taking the classes, and also for the UPSC batch specifically, the answer writing batch, that is both for GS and for optional sociology. We have a faculty who has qualified UPSC 3 times. Civil service exam 3 times. So sir is taking the general studies paper and sociology optional writing practice, okay, as per UPSC pattern. Okay, so that is something which but one thing I need to tell you, this is basically for offline. Okay, we do not record this class, so this will basically be for offline. So those who are interested, those who can come, because it is 3 days a week. Saturday, Sunday you have GS, and Wednesday you have sociology optional. Okay, so that is included in the classroom integrated batch, and separately also, if you want only to join this particular batch also, you can join. Okay, there is a separate video for that, you can see that, or you can call the office to get the information about that. So coming back to this integrated batch, what are the optionals that we are offering in this integrated batch? So the optionals, agriculture, forestry, home science, geography, sociology, political science and IR, public administration, history, psychology, okay. So basically these are some of the optionals which are being offered now. Okay, some new optionals will also start. Okay, so but these are the more popular optionals which we are offering. Okay, so I'll tell you the timings. This obviously the timings are for your offline classes. Okay, agriculture offline class we are having at Bhubaneswar 3 to 5 p.m. Forestry we are having 5 to 7. Home science we are having 8 to 11 a.m. that is on Tuesday, Saturday and Sunday. These are agriculture, forestry, these are regular batches. That means this is basically 5 days a week. This is 3 days a week. Okay, geography again, this is 5 to 7 p.m. Okay, this is also regular batch, Monday to Friday. Sociology 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. This is also regular batch, Monday to Friday. Political science and IR 3 to 5 p.m. This is also regular batch, Monday to Friday. Okay, PubAd we are having 7 to 9 p.m. Okay, this is also a regular batch. History 3 to 5 p.m. This is also a regular batch. And psychology we are having morning 8 to 11, 3 hours. Okay, on Saturday and Sunday. So this is basically weekend batch. Okay, this is Saturday and Sunday. These are the optionals currently going on. So you can choose any 2 optionals. Okay, among them. If you are preparing exclusively for UPSC, then you can choose any one among them. Okay. So the answer writing practice batch is included in this, test series etc. included in this but answer writing practice batch is, as I told you, will be available only for the offline classes. Okay. So contact numbers for both centers at Cuttack and Bhubaneswar are being flashed in the screen. Okay, you can call, because this is basically online batch, so you can call either of the institutes, either of the centers, and you can enroll. Okay, now suppose you do not want the entire course, you want only one particular optional or one particular general studies module. So online GS plus essay plus compulsory. Compulsory means English Odia and English Hindi, if in case you are taking for UPSC. So the course fee is rupees 15,000. Okay, including study material and test series. This is the online course fee. Okay, offline, if you want to take the same thing, the offline course fee is 40,000. Even in the online, okay, batches, the study material which will be given to you, that is printed. Okay, it is not like soft copy or PDF. Okay, that is one. Now suppose you want to take any one optional or only two optional. So optional subject, okay, that is also rupees 15,000. Okay, online. And if you want to take it in classroom mode, that is 25,000. So here also test series and study material is included in that. Okay, so this particular this is basically for the online batch on 15th March. Okay, 15th March this will start. And for the online batch students, every second Sunday of the month, okay, from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. you have a contact class at Bhubaneswar, or doubt clearance class if you want to have any discussion with the faculties, etc. So doubt class at Bhubaneswar Center. Right? So that was basically the notification for the new batch. That is on 15th of March we are starting. Okay, online batch. Next online batch after 15th, that would be somewhere around 22 or 25 will be starting. I'll give you a notification on that. Right? Any doubts, any queries, you can call the center numbers which are given below, or you can WhatsApp me 9437 002210. That number is also being given below. You can use that. Okay. So I wish you all the best, those who are preparing for civil services. Thank you.